Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to restore deleted call history or how to recover deleted call logs when you accidentally delete or lose your important call logs or call history. In this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted call logs or recover or restore deleted call history. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. And in this step you can easily recover or restore your deleted call logs or recover or restore deleted call history. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, choose and open Google Play Store. In this here I can write and search SMS backup and restore app. You can see SMS backup and restore. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it. After that, choose get started. Choose allow. Again choose allow. Allow. You can see set up a backup. So instead you can choose and select set up a backup. Click here. What would you like to backup? So first of all, turn off messages. After that, in this here click on it. After that you can see call logs. So turn on call logs. In this here click on it. After that, choose next, click on it. Where would you like to store your calls? So you can see Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, your phone. So instead you can choose and select your option. I can choose and select your phone. After that, choose next, click here. I can choose yes. Schedule recurring backups, keep your data constantly protected. After that you can see daily, weekly, hourly. So instead I can choose daily. After that you can see backup now. So instead you can choose backup now. You can see backup complete. After that you can see view details. So in this you can choose and open view details. After that, choose and open calls. In this way I can easily see or find or check or recover or restore call logs or call history. And in this time I can show second process or another process. After that, go back. After that, left top corner 3 button option, click on it. You can see backup now, restore. So in this time you can choose and select restore, click on it. What would you like to restore? You can see already choose and select call logs. After that you can see restore. So in this you can choose restore, click here. Restoring call logs. You can see restore completed, and in this way you can easily recover your all deleted call logs or recover call history or restore deleted call history. After that, close, go back. After that, choose and select export from backups, click on it. Choose calls, click here. After that, choose export. I can choose save, click on it. Export successful. After that, choose open. So in this way you can easily restore deleted call logs or restore deleted call history or recover or restore your all deleted call logs history or call history, or you can easily see or find or check your deleted call logs or call history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.